Hello everyone, this is Paint Oaken. I'm going to show you now the Blood Angel that I set up in the previous video. So here's the little figurine. What I'm going to do first is I apply the Mephiston Red base all over the figure using a relatively big brush, and I don't want to be very precise at this base. I can even go over little details and just want to be red everywhere. I used white primer for this figure. I usually use black, but I tried white this time, which also means, unfortunately, that for all the black parts of the armor where two armor plates meet, I will need to paint it black because at the moment they are white. So I'm going to do that all over and then we'll come back. Now, I painted it red with Mephiston Red base paint. It's only one layer, so I'm going to let it dry. And then instead of going through once again with Mephiston Red, I'm going to use the Blood Angel Red contrast paint, and we'll see how it will work. As you can see, I left out some parts which will be a different color. We will see how the cover will work. I might need to paint it all red. Meanwhile we are waiting, let me introduce you to my other friend, which is this glasses thingy. You can put it on your head, you can adjust the eyes. There's a little lamp even, doesn't do too much light, to be honest. And there are different these glasses thingies. They are magnifying in different way. This one is the biggest one is 3.5 times magnifying, and this one is the smaller one. It's 1 times bigger, something like this. Yeah, I like to use it. How to apply? Very easy. You can actually put two after each other. Yeah, so you can just click it here, and there you go. You can see through when it's okay, so the Blood Angel first kind of base paint was tried. So let's go through with contrast. Now, I've never done this, that I painted base first and I went through contrast, so I have no idea how it would look like. But, you know, you will learn from my mistakes, I guess. So I'm just going to apply this contrast basically everywhere where there is red. I'm using a pretty big brush for this. Again, don't want to be very detailed. Using it is kind of like a wash paint, and I'm hoping that it will give a nice grim effect on the red. Just painting it all over, and don't be too precise at this point. After I finished with the paint, I'm just going over it with a dry brush, because in these little detailed armor plates, especially on the helmet, in the visor part, for example, the paint can just sit in, stay there. If it dries, it will be really, really ugly. That I also learned the hard way. So this is what I'm doing now, just brushing over these little detailed things to take out